morning everyone. Today we are going to start mathematics chapter 3 linear equation 2 variable class 10 part 4. So let's start. So today we are going to start cross multiplication method for finding the solution of two pair of the linear equation. So let's see how to use this method. Here I have taken the example a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and another is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now firstly we have to multiply 1 by b2 and equation 2 by b1. Okay, so here I have multiplied b2a1x plus b2b1y plus b2c1 is equal to 0. Then second is b1a2x plus b1b2y plus b1c2 is equal to 0. Now subtract 4 from 3. So you have to subtract the equation 4 from 3. So here you have written b2a1x plus b2b1y plus b2c1 minus b1a2x plus b1b2y plus b1c2. Then after simplify you will get b2a1 minus b1a2 common x plus b2b1 minus b1b2 common y plus b2c1 minus b1c2 common 1, or if you don't want to write you can. Okay, so after solving you will get the value of x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the value of x that you can use in solving the question, but we can also use the easier method. Now when you will substitute the value of x in equation 1, you will get also the value of y also. That will be c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So you have got the values of x and y. You can write the value that you have got the value of x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now you can write x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 because I have taken the b1 c2 minus b2 c1 from that multiplication to divide, and the thing that remained there was 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right? So I can write this in this thing also, right? Now why I have got c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now I can take the c1 a2 minus c2 a1 from the multiplication to divide. So y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now you can see that 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is common for x and y also. 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right? So now I can write like this also. You can see the orange color part is common for both of them, right? So I can write that x upon b x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 will be equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 will be equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right? So this is cross multiplication method that you will use. This is you have to learn and you have to use in the question that is in exercise 3.5, right? So this is how you will use a cross multiplication method. You do not have to prove that I have done, but this is the method, right? Now how you can remember if you forget an exam. So here is our example a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So firstly you will write the variables x, y and 1. As we do not have any variable for c, so I am writing here 1. Now the things that is different from x, so now you have to write in a pattern b1 b2 then c1 c2 then a1 a2 then b1 b2 and then cross multiply, right? And then you will get x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 will be equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 will be equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is how you can remember. So this is important so that you can use in your questions, right? Here is our question 2x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So we are given with two of the linear equation with the same variable, two variables. We have to solve it by cross multiplication method. So see how we will use it. So first, yes, the thing that I have told you was in the previous videos also, that when you will solve any of the method, it should be a unique solution. It should have a unique solution. It should be consistent. So here I have used the algebraic method of, right, so it is not equal, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, so it is having, so it is intersecting, right? So we can use cross multiplication method here, right? Now cross multiplication method is x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right? Now I have taken all the values in the lower part. As you can see, x 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to y upon 5 into 3 minus 8 into 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Now after solving, I will get x upon 2 is equal to y upon 1 is equal to y upon 1. Sorry, y upon 1 is equal to 1, right? So now I can also write x upon 2 is equal to 1 and y upon 1 is equal to 1. Now after solving, I will get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So this is how you will use the cross multiplication for solving the two linear equations, right? So this is for today, and in the next part we will do the reducible linear equations.